Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to read chapter number 3, Save Water, Save the World. Now here they have given an exercise. They have given a help box. They have written yachting, rafting, water skiing and scuba diving. They have given the names of water sports. First picture. What is this? This is water skiing. This is rafting. Third one is yachting and this is scuba diving. Now let us read the chapter. Water is precious for our survival on this planet. It is essential for all living things. Many a time we waste water mindlessly. Now here they are saying that water is precious. Precious means valuable. Valuable or expensive for our survival. Survival means continue to live. For our survival on this planet. Now the planet is, on which planet we are living? We are living on Earth. Water is essential. Essential means necessary, important for all living things. But nowadays we are wasting water mindlessly without using our brain, without using our mind. In the following story, the writer draws your attention to one of the most important things in our everyday life. Here, in this story, the writer will draw your attention. Draw your attention means give focus on. One of the most important thing in our life, which is water. Now let us start reading the story. Roshan woke up earlier than usual, got ready and left for school. He was waiting eagerly for this day. After all, he would meet his friends after the long summer holidays. There was so much to tell them. He met his best friend Sadek at the gate and smiled. Hi Sadek. How were the holidays? What did you do during the vacation? Sadek had a broad grin. Oh, wonderful. I was here throughout the vacation. My sister and I joined karate classes and learned quite a lot about different kicks and punches. Now here they are saying Roshan got up early, got ready and went to school. He was eagerly means strong wish. He was strongly waiting for this day. And why he was waiting for this day? Why he was excited? Because he was going to meet his friends after long summer holidays. And Roshan had so much to tell. So much to share with his friends. He met his friend Sadek at the gate smiled and asked Sadek, how were the holidays? What did he do in holidays? Sadek gave a grin. Grin means broad smile, a big smile, and answer, wonderful. He said he was there at his place and joined karate classes with his sister and they learned different types of kicks and punches. They entered the classroom soon. Mrs. Sen, their teacher, came in. Roshan and Sadek greeted her with others. The teacher asked how they had spent their holidays. The teacher pointed at Roshan. Hello Roshan, you told me that you would go to Samarpur in Rajasthan during the holidays. How was the trip? Roshan said. It was great, but I was worried because there was an acute shortage of water. My uncle, aunt, and cousin lived there. Many wells had dried up. The water level in the wells had also gone down. Some women had to walk up to 5 kilometers to fetch water. Sadiq looked surprised. He joined the conversation. Then, here what happened? They entered in the classroom. Their teacher, Mrs. Singh, came in the class. Class greeted. Greeted means wished the teacher. Wished. Greeted means wished. They wished the teacher. Then teacher asked students how they had spent their holidays. Then teacher noticed Roshan and asked that he told her that he would go to Samarpur in Rajasthan. How was his trip? Trip means journey. Roshan answered that it was great, but he was worried. Worried means bothered, disturbed, because there was huge shortage of water. His uncle, aunt, and cousin lived there. Their many wells had dried up. Water level in the well had gone down. Some women there walked for 5 kilometers to bring water. Sadiq was also surprised listening this. He joined the conversation, but I am sure there are tubewells in the village. Roshan agreed. You are right, but if the level of water really goes down, the tubewells are also of no use. He asked. Now here Sadiq asked to Roshan, if there was tubewells in the villages. Roshan answered that he was right. Tubewells were there, but the level of water had gone down. So tubewells were also of no use. The teacher spoke now. Children, I told you all to collect information about water shortage, its causes, and ways of conserving water. I am sure you all have done that. But before we talk about it, I want you all to read what I have written on the poster. Then teacher asked students about the work that she gave students, and the work was to collect information about water shortage, its causes, and ways of conserving water. Then she told students to read the poster in front of them. The children looked at the poster. She continued after a few minutes. Now, will you all remember this? Yes, ma'am, said the children. Mitra, what do you have to say about water scarcity? The teacher turned to him. Mitra answered, here is a list I have made. I will read it out now. Children looked at the poster. Now here children looked at the poster. Teacher told them if they all remembered that in future. Children answered yes. Teacher asked Mitra, what does he has to say about water scarcity. Scarcity means shortage. Mitra answered that he had made a list of it. Now let us see his list. Delhi also has acute water shortage. The water level in the Yamuna had gone down in summer. People in many parts used to get water supply for only an hour during the day. To overcome the shortage, they had to store water. All over the world, water shortage is an ever-growing problem. The situation is improving now after the rains. Now, this is the list of Mitra. You have mentioned the details of the situation clearly. Now, Sadiq, give us some points about ways to save water in our homes. Yes, ma'am, said Sadiq. Now, Sadiq is going to give us some points about ways to save water in our homes. Let us see. Sadiq got up and read out the following points from a sheet. Now, Sadiq's points are: we should use a bucket for bathing. We should turn off the taps tightly after use. We can use water used for washing vegetables and fruits to water the plants. It means when we wash our vegetables, the leftover water we should use to water the plants. We can grow plants in our garden that need less water. Understood? This is the list of Sadiq. These are the ways to save water. The washing machine and dishwasher should be used only when they are full. Now, the Sadiq is saying when the dishwasher and washing machine are full, then we should wash the clothes and the dishes. All the pipes and taps should be checked for any leaks. It means there should not be any leakage in pipes and taps. Those are very important points, Sadiq. Now, Nisha can also share some points with the class, said the teacher. Now, Nisha will share some points with the class. Let us see her points. Nisha got up. Yes, sure, ma'am. Here are some of the important points mentioned in my list. We should water the plants before 9 a.m. or after 7 p.m. It means 9 a.m. before sun, 7 p.m. means after sun. During there is sun in the sky, we should not water the plants. The soil will stay wet for longer this way. This way the soil will stay wet for longer time. It helps to save water. Also, it will save water. Use a bucket instead of bathtub for bathing. We should use bucket, not bathtub. Next, Sadiq got up next and said, I read in the newspaper that people have started rainwater harvesting in many places. The government is also helping the people in this matter. Now Sadiq is saying that he had read in the newspaper that people are using rainwater harvesting. Now what is rainwater harvesting? Means collecting the water of rain for future use. And he is saying that government is also helping the people for this purpose. Next, the teacher then said, children, All the above points are important. There are many reasons that have caused water shortage. What are they? Now they are going to discuss the causes of water shortage. Sadiq said, I would like to share some points here. Now Sadiq is going to share causes of water shortage. Many trees have been cut down and many new high-rise buildings are being built. Why there is water shortage? Because many trees have been cut down. There are less trees, and also people are making high-rise buildings. Water is also used for building new malls and hotels. Also water is used to build malls and new hotels. Due to such activities, the groundwater level has gone down. Because of these activities, groundwater level has gone down. The teacher said, you all have found important details about water shortage and shared them with the class. Remember, water is important for every form of life on our planet. Now, the teacher told that water is important for all the living beings on the planet Earth. So we should save water, and all the points we have discussed in this chapter, we should use all those points in our daily life to save water. So this is it with the chapter. We have learned so much about water shortage, its causes and ways to save water in this chapter. I hope you all will share all these points of saving water with your family and friends, so that not only you, your friends and family can also contribute in saving water and the saving world. So thank you.